profession, it's a calling. So I'm happy that you are God's chosen one to deal with somebody in pain and suffering. First, I would like to say that as you walk out of CCT, maybe 10 years from now, like Sir said, you don't remember the flow, but you're not going to remember the physics formulas and your organic chemistry reactions. But still, I hope that a few qualities that each one taught you here become a part of your journey. I'll start with what makes a good doctor. It's the empathetic nature, it's the sweet tongue, it's the patient ear, it's the willingness to help. And I think it has been taught to you not in books, but by setting the best examples. For that, I'd like to give Nalini ma'am and Sujata ma'am a huge round of applause. Every sick person who walks in likes the doctor to say with a warm smile, good morning. And who taught you that? Munir Chacha. So he set the best example. I heard he has graduated out of CCT, so that's a real sad thing. And everyone in the office, I will name only a few, taught you that their duty is far beyond what they are expected to do. I have a few small examples what they did for my daughter Gayatri. It was Khod sir who would come to our house at 7 a.m. in the morning to give medicines when she was ill. We are sending our children from Konkan, so just remember that this was not just their learning ground, this was their second home. If her laptop got spoiled, just by knowing that she's not answering the Viva, Sushant sir was the first to rush to say that I'll get your laptop repaired in time for the next lecture. Then it came to Akshay sir. Whichever paper she wanted, whether it was a second copy or it was a third copy, he was the first to get it printed, and in 1 hour she would get a call saying that it was ready. The WHO definition of good health remembers lies in keeping your patients and anybody physically and mentally happy. And that, I think, Avinash sir taught you every step of the way that meditation, good diet, adequate sleep is the key to a good, stressful career and your academic journey ahead. So I would just like to thank all of them, and through the many highs and lows that Gayatri and all of you probably had in every step of the way, Avinash sir, Nalini ma'am, Sujata ma'am, and Prabhu sir were your pillars of support who kept telling you, you will do it, you will do it. And today you all did it. But just look back to this alma mater and thank them that when you are a doctor,